Guys, so I'm back with the update from the Spark test. So last week I posted a video that we were going for the Spark test, and it went really well. But I have some few tips for you, so stay tuned till the end. Based on the feedback I got and all the tips which the teacher shared with me, I'm going to share that with you. So as I speak to my friend here is taking some notes. So you also take notes. This test was not anything like academic or something. So it's basically a small conversation between the teacher and the child. So what happens is like they show some picture and ask questions around the things like what is this called in German? Can you explain what is happening in this picture? And they basically assess whether the child is able to understand and communicate his or her feelings and formulate simple sentences on their own. So there's nothing to worry about. Honestly, I was a little stressed, but through my experience, I want to share that don't panic. It's just a simple conversation. They generally do it in a playful manner that the kid doesn't get overwhelmed. So basically, based on the feedback, overall she performed really well. So I'm really proud of her. Since we are using our mother tongue or English in household, so things like we don't refer fridge as cool shrunk or watch as ooer, these silly little words. She was not able to answer that, but and there's nothing to worry about it because I took this feedback very constructively and I'm going to incorporate in a playful manner. Like I purchase some puzzles, picture showing that picture cards and asking what is this in German, what is the use of these things, and so forth. Whenever I get pick her up from Kita, then also I show her things and ask questions around it, like how was your day? Explain that to me in German. What is that? What is that? So I hope these tips help you also. So if your child's trust practice is coming, or if you want to prepare them for next year, so use these playful tips and not to stress about, and your child will always do well.